Hello and welcome back to Death's Door. I know it's been a minute since I played, sorry, but I'm very excited. I think.
Hi, hello, wait. I'm gonna sound a little different in this video. I'm sick in this video. I'm currently editing said video. This will be in the video probably like right after the beginning of this said video. Either way, hi, hello, if you came from TikTok, oh my gosh, thank you so much. If you didn't come from TikTok and you're just on YouTube, hi, thank you. Welcome to my channel. I have a TikTok as well, but please check out my YouTube channel because I'm trying to do YouTube a little more too. Either way, enjoy the gameplay. I just want to say sorry that I'm not posting as much, but also sorry that my voice sounds so bad. I really wanted to make a video, but I was sick when this video was made like a week ago. So yeah, either way, have a nice day. If you leave after this, I hope you have a good one.
I think I'm on, I don't remember which save file I'm on. Okay, so it is save file 2. It is save file 2. I'm gonna talk to him again. Do you wish and guidance on where to head next? Yeah. I suggest you head north. There was an old witch obsessed with... Sorry. I'll do the voices. I'll do the voices. There lives an old witch obsessed with escaping death. Thanks. Yeah. I'm still mad at this dude. So essentially he screwed us over. Wait, can I pick this up? What is this? I should have grabbed this last time. Just a key? Okay. Either way, essentially that dude trapped us here. He took our kill. And then he was like, but actually, watch this. Now you can't leave either. And you're going to grow old just like me. Unless you help me. So, because he couldn't finish his job, bro, now I gotta suffer, right? This way to earn Witch's Mansion. Okay, whoa. What's this? Oh, back over here. Okay, cool. Alright. But yeah, also, this is a Devolver Digital game. I did not realize that. I love Devolver Digital so much. Like, such a good company. I'm gonna end up playing a bunch of the games on here. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm really hoping to get to the day to where I can get like a Devolver Digital like early access release or something for like Dice Folk. Oh, I'd go crazy. Dice Folk is like this roguelike dice game. So think of Pokemon, I think of dice, and think of roguelikes. All of that together. If you Retromation has a video on it, and I really liked his. Definitely check that out. I'm gonna keep exploring first. That seems like a one and done kind of walk-in area. Oh, well, I can't go in here, and I can't jump. All right, well. Also, sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm kind of getting to like, I wouldn't call it a cold, but like I'm going through drainage a little bit, and so my voice got hit, and same with like my allergies. I've been sneezing and coughing up a storm, man. Alright, well. No, if I cough too much in this video, I definitely plan to, like, take that out, because y'all don't need to hear me just tossing up a lung, man. Alright. Okay. Get out of here, bro. I don't think he's about to be super strong or something. I need to remember to go back to like the base every so often, because I'm gonna max out strength first so I can help out Stonehead. Or Headstone. No, Stonehead. It is Stonehead. Oh, what? Let me out. Let me out. Roses? For me? Why, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, and I'm back outside. Okay, so is there different areas in the game then? Okay. I like that. I'm liking it. I was afraid it was just gonna be like kind of like a boss rush game or something of that sort, but nothing in these okay, well. Zelda has trained me to break everything, and that is what I will do. It's really empty though. I'm gonna stop breaking stuff. I feel like whoever's here is gonna be upset I'm breaking everything. I still haven't figured out what these do. I still do not know what those do. Burn your weapons and spread joy. Okay. Am I in a pacifist mansion? Oh, wait. No. How do I shoot again? There we go. Oh, I'm smart. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. The state of the Urn Witch. Oh, y'all really meant like an urn witch. Oh, okay. She's probably gonna be upset I messed up her stuff then, yeah. That'll do it. Okay. I only got one arrow left, bro. Oh, okay. I can get them back from hitting these little guys. Never mind. All right. You know what? I saw a bunch of these out there in the other world. Okay. I'm gonna have to hit those too. Next one back. Which is mentioned. Alright, what's this stuff? Oh, it's like that stuff I couldn't break. Okay. Let's hope she'll be nice. Yo, we got a way back. Okay. Let's go get this upgrade. It's the big dude over here, I believe. From the Soul Vault. Would you like to increase your combat abilities? Yeah, yes I would. 600? 400's a minimum, bro? I'm charging an arm and a leg out here. I'm not an Elric brother, bro. I need y'all to chill out with that. Alright. Do I have anything to plant? No. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah, you're... Oh, hello there. My beak-faced friend, or fellow. I can't read. It is quite unusual to see one of your kind upon these isles. I imagine you must be here for a soul. Not me, I should hope. Anyway, it seems our paths have intersected at an opportune moment. You may have noticed, but I am cursed with unusual affliction. Alas! Judge me not by the shape of my head, but by the deliciousness of the soup inside. I'm not eating your head soup, dog. Pothead, what's good? Where are my manners? I'm very pleased to make your acquaintance, Beakface. Oh, you really got soup in there. It would seem that my journey has reached an impasse. I haven't been able to overcome the obstacles ahead to unlock the iron gates. If you would help me move on, I should be indebted to you. We could push forward together. Yeah, what's good, man? Is like clam chowder up in there, or what's going on? You're not gonna come help me now? Okay. I just assumed you were gonna help now, but all right, that's cool with me. Right, let's see what's what over here. Nice. Okay. Whoa. All right, brother. Oh, stop messing with me. Okay. I don't even want to know what you are, bud. Oh, I actually hate this. The witch over here, at least the blue one, because she teleports in and out. And I'm sorry with my aim, man. Oh. You gotta go. So do you. You are not absolved. What do you say? The Garden of Peace? For who? Leave y'all a piece of shit. And nobody is peaceful here, but... Oh, okay. I gotta be real with y'all, huh? You haven't seen me out for blood yet. Don't run away. Come on now. Yeah, everything's getting blown up. 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. I can deflect? Stop spinning away! You're not a Beyblade, man. Okay. Oh, lever. Okay, that's on me. That's on me. What if I'm open? I gotta go. I don't. A seed. Okay, I need that. Just gotta figure out how to get up there. Okay. Burn. How did you not die already? I refuse to believe that fire was not cooking you, man. Okay. No, I'm gonna die. I don't know. I didn't expect there to be any like actual like puzzles in this game, so I like it. So yeah, of course there's one over here too. Alright. Oh no, you don't. I didn't know I could deflect those at first, man. Now you're getting cooked up. Come on, where you at? Don't run away from me. Don't you do it. I'm just here for the seed, man. Don't get me wrong. I need to be here, but I really need that seed. God. Who is naming these gardens? Okay. My aim cannot be this bad. Oh! I walked into that. Where does it save again? Okay, it takes me back here. Okay, alright. It just takes me back to the door. Everything I already did is still done. Alright, good. Oh, wait, then I can come up through here, yeah. And I'll hit this one, those guys pop out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, clear. Alright, you get hit 4 times. No. 5? Was that 5 or 6? I can't count, man. I don't know how many I hit you, but I hit you enough. Now where's my seed? Because I earned that seed, man. Here we go. So I don't even need it right now. I just kind of need it in general. Oy. You just waiting. You couldn't complete that though, Pothead? Hurrah! We can now venture onward, my steadfast companion. But first, we should grant ourselves a moment of respite. Come, sit with me a while. Sure, man. It's a park bench. As I mentioned upon our meeting, I was not always quite so earthenware in appearance. This strange curse was visited upon me by the wicked old lady who resides in the mansion beyond these lavish gardens. I imagine you are here for her, are you not? Surely her soul must be swollen and ripe for the reaping due to her unnaturally extended years. I desire not but to confront the old witch and request she undo her ceramic deed and restore me to my former handsome self. I was quite the looker, you know. I'm sure you were, man, but nah, I don't want any clam chowder, man. I'm good. So be it. Let us push on once more. I feel like I would like this. I mean, your brain, bro. Like, are you not coming with me? That's on me. I just stood there. 1, 2. Oh, you don't know. Okay, I can hit those dudes. Awesome. Yeah, if I fall down, I don't know if I'll get back up. This way to the Arkham. Yeah, y'all keep saying that. Bro, who are you to press me? Not all your friends gotta go. Look what you did. Yeah, get out of here. Your friends could have been fine eating soup, just chilling. Now look at you. I'm really liking this area though. Looks nice. Little canals and everything, man. The family tomb. Alright, yeah, I won't mess with that. That's messed up. So y'all just like naturally born with pots for heads? Like obviously Pothead wasn't, but like I feel like you guys probably would. At least the wishes. I'll check that out in a minute. Just a tree? Okay. Oh there, my friend. I would make a good statue, would I not? So here we are. The edifice may look unassuming, even becalming. However, keep your wits about you. Untold dangers await us inside. Now let us dive from the precipice of adventure and enter the belly of the beast. Together! My boy's really enthusiastic about it, but like, I'm the main one pulling. Looks like we need keys, man. So you're not gonna do anything. Okay. I should probably heal before this, actually. Hold on. 1 second, Mr. Pothead. Let me heal. Y'all came back? Oh. Oi. Alright, where she at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of my face. I'm just here to heal. I genuinely wanted no problem. I'm not here for y'all here. Go ahead and shoot. Sorry aim, bro. Come on now. I'm going straight for you. I don't even know what you would consider her. Mistress, master, I don't know, man. But I'm going for her head. Nah, I need you to guard. I don't know if I don't talk to you, you'll guard the door. Okay, cool. So like if you run out of soup, are you donezo? Yeah, I don't have enough to get anything. I'm not smacking those guys. I would feel bad. Ceramic manor. Yeah, see, because I don't know if these used to be people or if these are like actual art. Oh. Living Reaper. I hunger for souls. Yeah, I'm sure you do, man. Don't you worry, I got her. There is a seed up here. I'm sure you do. I'm gonna deliver her soul for you, man. Actually, it's got to go to Death's door, so. Oh, really? It requires a key? I would have never guessed. I just don't know where keys at. And I don't want to break those. I would feel really bad. Is there somewhere else I'm supposed to go? Yeah, I need to go on this side too. Can I roll? No. Why even? Okay, alright, that's fine. One, two, no, you don't. Okay, alright, I'm tired of the disrespect. It's gonna stop right now. One, two, three. Yeah, you guys just attack a little bit faster than the dudes in the other area. You think y'all a little tough, huh? This is the area where I'm gonna fight. Who are you? Buddy. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, I'm coming back for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bring me out from this door, man. Yo, what? It put me all the way back here? I guess I didn't go through the other door. Okay. That's on me. I'm trying to keep rolling. You gotta go. And I could go that way, but... make stuff easy for myself? I think not. Nope. Get out of here. There's a buddy boy over here too. Oh, already got him. Alright. Now come back home, man. I always let everybody get one free hit. But for you, I'll make it 2. I feel bad for you, bro. You don't even know those. That's how bad for you I feel. I gave you 3 free hits. I like to let people build up their confidence, you know what I mean? So I usually just let, like, instead of free hits, I gave you a free win, right? I felt like you deserved it. You really deserved it because how sorry you are, bro. You're not gonna get these many wins. You just you go ahead and give me a minute, bro. Just give me a minute. Let me get back. Hold on. I'm just gonna skip to where we go. Okay, we're back at it, right? And you see, I actually gave somebody else your free hit. So now you don't get any free hits, bud. Except that one, because I'm feeling generous today. You suck. I hate you. I hate you so much. Throwing temper tantrums at your big age, bro. Come on now. What's wrong with you? Nobody treats you right, man. Nobody told you what you're supposed to do. You're still hitting on me after I'm dead. It's cool though. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Light work. I'm skipping your friends over there this time too. I'm coming straight for you. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about it. Hop down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, bro. Here's your little free hit. See, that wasn't even a free hit. That hit actually made me upset. Get out of here. How do you like it, huh? God, man. Maybe pause the game. Oh, that's frustrating. Give me my arrows back. Got me coughing and whatnot. Garden of life. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay. Oh, here we go. Rice and peas. I don't know if y'all see that video on TikTok, bro. That girl talking about her Jamaican grandmother. Rice and peas. It should not be as funny as it is to me, but it is, man. Go ahead, roll. You fool. Are you stun locked? Wow, you really just let me do that. Awesome. I'm not fighting 3 of y'all. Oh yeah, stay in the corner, stay in the corner, stay in the corner, stay in the corner. Oh yeah. See, I just jumped the other 2 friends, bro. Couldn't respect the one-on-one. Look what happened to him. Got pieced up, just like you. Hold up. I can't swim. Okay. Maybe I'll gain another mechanic from like there's a dude that there's like a water king or something like that, like a drowned king. There's something like that. I remember reading. We were going. Oh yeah. Excuse me. We were going through the like who I had to find in the face and whatnot. 1, 2, 3. On my face. We got nothing over here, bro. Did I miss something up here? No. Okay. And how am I supposed to get over there? I'm genuinely confused now. Unless I gotta... If I just have to walk this way, I'm gonna be upset. Nah, I gotta get up there. What? Hold on. One, 2. Alright. Right. But how do I get over there? Am I dumb, man? I really feel like I didn't miss anything, but it seems that I did. Right, and I can't get over this way. I already know that. I don't even know why it's there, but... I'm just going to cut to where I figure it out, because I feel like it's going to take me a few minutes. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, cut back into now. I'm stupid. There's a whole little extra part of the mansion I just did not walk into. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to start hitting these urns. Alright. Yeah, cut back in. I'm gonna have to start smacking some of these urns up, man. Stay in the corner. Alright, so one of these urns is not like the other. I just felt bad because like urns usually have like people's ashes and stuff in it. You know, I don't want to be like taking somebody's grandma's ashes because I think it might be important to the story, you know? evil or not, that's still somebody's ashes. So I don't want to do that, but looks like I have no choice. Like, I really want this video to keep going until we get to the boss, but I don't know if I'll be able to get there today. I've already been recording for like 37 minutes. Granted, like 5 to 6 of those minutes. Oh, I got the key. 5 to 6 of those minutes were me just really trying to figure stuff out. Overall, I'll still probably go until I find the boss, honestly. Oh, stop playing. Hold on. Yeah, open the door. What is this? I see this. Huh? Yeah, this makes sense, I'm really liking the fire stuff. It's just very unique. I'm sure there's been playing the game. I'm sure Zelda's done this too. Oh yeah, okay. We're vibing, folks. What's wrong? Lay down. You got one tap. I didn't give you a courtesy hit. Out my face. What is that? No! Our fellow bird died. Free soul. It appears we've been abandoned here. I don't think anyone is coming to open the door. So I can free them this way? No, it's a little skeleton. Oh, what are you? Hello, dear. Hello, dear. Quite unexpected to see a quill around this place. Let's just move the tails off. What brings an adorable fellow like you into my little house? I'm here for your soul, ho. Can I talk to you? Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's what I thought. is one other thing I wanted to check, actually, because I don't think I got it. Also, what deal is she talking about? Who did you strike the deal with? I can't find nothing in these. Please. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, I am stupid. I have not seen this. Okay, here we go. First of all, second of all, I don't care who you had a deal with, bro. You're killing crows. Oh yeah, buddy. You're on my hit list. Run it. Oh, what? Oh, okay. How many hits do y'all take? I need to count. Hold on, let's see. I really don't want to end the gameplay. Cause like I haven't. Okay, if there's another little pseudo boss, I'll end it after that. But like I have not found like a spot where I would be like, yeah, that's a good place to end it, because I want to keep playing this game. I also don't want to have the gameplay video be too long. But who cares, man? I'm fine with longer videos. Especially if I'm having fun with it too, yeah. I got 4 seeds now, I'm just drowning in them. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. That's cool. Yeah, I would have never... Oh. Or is it just on the... Oh, she's on the ground. Oh, that's dope. What is that? Why do I feel like it's a... I can pray? I don't know what religion he is, but we're gonna pray. Oh, that's terrifying. The ancient shrine offers you a shard from a magical crystal. Collecting 4 will raise your magic capacity beyond its limits. Yeah. Thanks, big dog. Appreciate it. Let's end it there. I can't find a proper place to end it. I'm gonna end it here. If you watch this far, genuinely thank you. This is like 30 plus minutes most likely. I'm really liking this game. I'm gonna try to keep like a semi alright upload schedule. I got a Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds video I plan to have out soon. Honestly, there's a good chance you're watching this because of Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's video, which I'm hoping that's why you're watching. Well, I'm just hoping you like the videos in general, but I'm also hoping you were able to check out my other videos after watching Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's videos. But yeah, thank you. More specific thank yous. Thank you, my cousin Daniel, bro. He's definitely been pushing me and motivated me to make these videos. Thank you to Leslie, my beautiful, amazing partner, for letting me use her earphones, because I don't have headphones that like properly record, but because of her, I do. But yeah, thanks guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and save the game and head out, but I will see you all next time.